Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is September 18th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, so we had a good day here at the Oil Trading Group. It's good because we ended up in the green. We've actually didn't have a chance to make a video yesterday. My schedule wouldn't allow for it. And this is actually a 3-day winning streak that we're on here right now, which is a very good thing. We are trading the funded Top Step Trader funded pro account here in the day trading chat room every day. And I did not necessarily think that we were going to end this day in the green when we finished and took our break. Today was crude oil inventory report Wednesday and also FOMC meeting minutes day. And I really just, by the time we took our break and before we came back from the FOMC, for the FOMC announcement, we were down ticks. In fact, you can see up here, we were down $390 here today on the CL. A little bit of some hard luck here. We had a sweet spot retracement, or sorry, a sweet spot on this retracement up here at 58.85. We got to 58.82, and we missed that opportunity. We were looking to get short here around 62 and just kind of chopped around a little bit. And I got taken out up here today to the tick up around this 52 area. Once it did break, we had a very simple 1, 2, 3 pattern that we did get short, comes back, takes us out up here. And that's when we took our break. It rallied to a double top at 35. And just a little bit later comes all the way down. So again, I didn't get much out of this. I could have turned that negative day into a positive day on the CL. Had a couple of opportunities right in here and just got chopped around a little bit. And then we ultimately took this 1, 2, 3 breakout pattern, comes back up, eventually goes, but right back here, once it come down to 0.1, it came back up here and stopped us out. That was our entry. Went a little bit higher and it ultimately sold off. So that this whole thing didn't work out very well for me here today. What did work out is I did have a 10-point ES trade right after the FOMC meeting minutes, and the market is really rallying right now. We got short here off our market maker level. Once the market opened up, we sold off down into what was a trade plan idea for us here today. In fact, right here at this MS target was a place that we were looking to get long. I did not do it because it was in the face of the announcement today, but if you take a look here, we said this is the trade plan that we put out the night before. We were looking at 89.90 to 91.5. This here is your MS target at 89, right there at the 89.5, 89 quarter area. So again, we put a box. We know that there's a zone of influence around our levels. We have the box down here that we would normally be looking at. Market rallies back up. Once we couldn't make it to these levels above, we were looking at our structure RTH session levels here at the DS target, and this is where we ended up getting in, and the market came all the way down. We were looking for it to go a bit deeper here, which it ultimately did, but I got trail stopped out at 10 points on this pullback. So once it came down here to this MS extension 1, we could never close below it. And of course, as you can see here, the market is just continuing now as we head into the close here in about 30 minutes. The market just continues to rally up. So that's what we were looking at here today on the ES. We did end up getting clear of break even here today with that 10.1 lot ES trade. And of course, we had the downside there on the CL. So just remember, P&L shown live on screen all day, every day as we go through the trading session. You'll be able to see here. I'm going to show you the video here where I show you where we get into that ES trade, show you how we manage the stops and where we ultimately get taken out. And you'll see that the price ladder that in the video will match what you see up here. So with all that being said, again, we are on a modest 3-day winning streak. And we did have just about a 3.5 to 1 reward to risk ratio, 1 lot ES trade. Again, it only takes 1 when you have an excellent reward to risk ratio, and that is what we consider to be our trading edge, is our reward to risk ratio. So again, without further ado, here is that OTG ES trade of the day. There's 97.75. I'm in at 97.5. Stop is 0.0.5. Stop is 0.0.5. We're looking to target to that MS target, maybe the MS extension 1 underneath.